Bring me that girl right now. Bring me that girl. Bring me that girl. God's healing her right now. Bring her here. Bring her here.
Has no vision in her right eye and very little in her left eye. She was born that way, and I am her aide. I work with her every day at school, and the Lord impressed upon me when I heard about this that I had to bring her, so that he would open the blind eyes. And she is so desperately wants to see and be like everybody else. And Lord, I just know that he told me to bring her, and he's gonna touch her.
There's nothing you can't do. You are God. You are God. There's nothing you can't do. There's nothing you can't do. You are God. You are God. There's nothing you can't do. There's nothing you can't do. You are God. You are God. There's nothing you can't do. There's nothing you can't do. You are God. You are God. There's nothing you can't do. There's nothing you can't do. You are God.
She said, I can see the camera guy stood in front of me right now. Ajane, can you tell the people what you've just seen, what you're seeing out of your eyes right now? What did you just see then in front of you?
Well, at first I saw the camera guy. Hey! And right now, I see the pastor and my aide standing right next to him. And I see a man out of my my right eye, holding a microphone.
Come on, somebody! Tonight, what's beginning to happen in your eyes tonight?
That instead of seeing out of just one eye, I can see out of both of them now.
Jesus, I give you